Alright, so here's a very good opportunity for every one of you to win yourself a Starvis 2 powered dashcam. Specifically, I'm talking about the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. Now, this is one of my most favorite dashcams, and this comes with a Starvis 2 sensor, and the MRP of this dashcam comes at a price of about 14 to 15,000 rupees. So you can get this dashcam for yourself for free if you are a subscriber of Travel Tech. So before I actually tell you how you can win this dashcam for free, you need to take a look at the superb quality the VIOFO A119 Mini 2 provides and the power of Starvis 2 which is built inside it. I have tried and tested this dashcam extensively and I am thoroughly impressed with it. There's hardly anything left to complain about this dash camera, and this is my close to perfect dashcam at the price bracket of 15,000. So let's move on and take a deep look at the VIOFO A119 Mini 2 and see if this is the dashcam which you are waiting for. Let's get started. Coming to the most important aspect, the Mini 2 comes at a price of 15,999, that is 16,000 rupees. It supports a resolution of 2.7K, that is 2592 into 1944p at 30 frames per second, and supports a resolution of 2K, that is 2560 into 1440p at 60 frames per second. It has the latest Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor. It supports multiple exposure HDR. It has intelligent voice control. It also has an aperture size of f1.6. On the back of the camera you can find a 1.5-inch LCD display. It has a dual band Wi-Fi support with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It has advanced parking modes such as auto event detection, support by buffered parking. It has time-lapse mode of 1, 2, 3, 5 and 10 frames per second. It also supports low bitrate recording. The GPS is built in within the windshield mount. It also supports optional Bluetooth remote, a CPL filter and a HK4 hardware kit. And it also supports a high endurance microSD cards up to 512 GB. So taking a look at the video sample of the Mini 2, now this offers the highest resolution of 2592 into 1944p at 30 frames per second. It also offers a 1440p resolution at 60 frames per second. Now this particular video has a bitrate of about 29,000 kbps and the file size of this video, which is shot for 1 minute, is about 212 MB. So based on this you can calculate how many hours of videos your microSD card will hold depending on the storage space of the microSD card. Now this camera has a Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 5-megapixel sensor. Taking a look at the license plate readability, now a very crystal clear image, the vehicle being about a distance of 10 to 15 feet and more or less within the glare of my headlight, the Starvis 2 sensor working its magic and showing that all the letters and numbers are clearly visible in this license plate. Although I must agree it is slightly blurred because the resolution is not up to 4K, but nevertheless this is a very excellent job by the Mini 2 and I'm really impressed with it. The overall night footage from this camera also looks very good. The dynamic range, the color tint, saturation, brightness, contrast levels, all of them looks pretty much balanced and very much natural to the eyes, and there's nothing major to complain about the night footage. Coming to the daytime footage from this camera, now before I talk about the daytime footage quality, let's zoom in directly onto a license plate and show you. Now this was a speeding vehicle from the opposite direction and still this camera has been able to catch a very good read of the number plate, all letters and numbers clearly distinctively visible and again slightly blurred out like in the night sample, and this is due to the lesser pixel count compared to a 4K resolution. But overall, for what it's worth, this camera offers some really good license plate readability at close to medium far range. Now talking about the overall video quality, now this was a deeply overcast conditions when I shot this video footage, so it was more or less a very low light condition even during daytime, and in spite of being such low light conditions, this camera has been able to capture all of the details pretty well, including the license plate read which I just showed you, and the overall brightness, contrast and saturation levels again look very much natural. This camera as a whole offers, I think, a really good package in terms of the daytime and the nighttime video quality, and also gives some really exceptional performance in terms of having a good license plate readability. So there are plenty of things which really impressed me about this camera, specifically talking about the availability of the Starvis 2 sensor, about the price of 15,000. It's got voice control, it's got 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it's got really good parking monitoring system. This camera is pretty close to perfect, not to mention its mini form factor as well, which most other cameras lack. So all you need to do to win this camera is just comment on my videos for the next 15 videos, including this one. So I'll be putting up videos on regular intervals on my channel. So you need to go ahead and comment on the next 15 videos starting from this particular video. Make sure your comment is good and useful to all the other viewers who are gonna watch this video later on. The top 15 people who comment the fastest on my next 15 videos, including this one, will be eligible for the free giveaway contest. So by the time my 15th video ends after this, I will pool together all the names of all the people who have commented on all of these videos, and there will be a lucky draw, a live video which will be coming up on my channel. So there will be a random lucky winner for the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. So make sure you are under the top 15 comments on each video, and if you are, your name will be shortlisted for the lucky draw video. So I'll be doing a live video at the end of this where I'll pick up a random lucky winner. The grand prize winner will get a VIOFO A119 Mini 2, and the top 5 other contestants will also get some cool prizes. So I really think you should not miss this chance to get yourself a 15,000 rupees Starvis 2 powered dashcam for your car. And as I said, all you need to do is just go ahead and comment on my next 15 videos starting from this particular one. Also, if you are interested in purchasing this dashcam for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. So just head down into the description, click on the link and purchase this dashcam. And if you want some more clarity on the free giveaway contest, you can also click down on the description. I'll write down all the details of the free giveaway contest right there. You can read the rules and you can follow the contest to win yourself a dashcam. So I hope this video has helped you out, and in case if it did, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook and Instagram page. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.